Hello, good evening and welcome to Forex Embassy Trading System. Well, this is our new model of settings. Now, it's just an upgrade of our old Forex Embassy Trading System. I'm going to take you step by step how you can identify opportunities in a mid-way. Okay. All the time I tell you that Forex Embassy Trading System works on H4, the H4 time frame or the 240-hour time frame, and with most major pairs. So this is how you are going to get started trading it. Now when these indicators cross and we have this, it means the trend is up. So we look for buy opportunities only. Buy opportunities only. So how do we get the buy opportunities? Now with period separators, if we have this and we have that, that's 1 week, a whole trading week, Monday to Friday. Okay, another Monday to Friday. Okay, then another Monday to Friday. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Now with your trend defined by this indicator and your trend confirmer, this is a trend identifier and a trend confirmer, this is what you're going to do. You are always going to buy from the lowest point within the week on the 4-hour chart. So for instance, we got our first entry here, we went in for a buy and probably we take profit from somewhere around this area. So we get to another week. This week we have here a bearish candle closing and a bullish, but the high of the week is so, or the high of the previous week is so close, so we can get in. So we wait for a point where price drops small, then we have a bullish candle closing above the pink indicator, that is our trend confirmer, then we get in for a buy. And this is how we're going to get in. We get in for a buy and we hold it and hold it. Okay, we hold it. So we get in right from here, right from this point, and here we go. Okay, we make some pips. Then another week we look for a good entry. We get in for a buy from here, being the lowest, the bullish candle from the lowest point of the week, and we hold it and we could reach somewhere here. Usually our stop loss is going to be 50 to 100 pips from the nearest swing or from the point of entry. Okay, so assuming this is going to be our entry, from here we hold it, so some good upward push, then we get in here. Of course we have a pullback, and probably we are stopped out. Okay, cool. Then we get to the next week. This is 1 week, this and that gives us 1 week. So this week here we have this low point, price closing. Still we can get in because it's far from the high of the previous week. Okay, so we can get in from maybe here. We get in our stop loss below the swing, that's about 50 to 100 pips, but I prefer you use 100 pips, and price moves up. Okay, and that is what we're going to do for different pairs, the same entry strategy. Price already crossed here, so we say we are in an upward trend. Okay, so we wait for a pullback, a close above the trend confirmer, so we get in from here. We get in from here, we put our TP there and our stop loss probably below the swing, that should be around 50 to 100 pips right from here. Okay, so we get in here, we hit some TP, we are back, we wait again. The next week here is our entry point again, we go, and this is for the manual traders. At a point in time you are going to hit stop loss, but forget it. In as much as price continue to trade above this, you are going to definitely pin it down somewhere and make some good money. Okay, yeah, so that is how we're going to be trading for the rest of the year, and hoping we're going to make some good money over time. The same thing here, price crossing. Sometimes price can be a bit rough. Okay, for instance, you look at, let's see how we're going to insert some shapes. Okay, here we come here and we realize that market has not been the best over time. Okay, yeah, this region movement was not the best, okay, in this region. So we exercise some level of patience, but once a trend is clearly defined from here, then we can get in, hit TP, come wait, get in again, move some good pips, and then again price still keeps consolidating around it. Definitely is going to take direction, and then we use the same strategy. Okay, so that is how we're going to be trading in the days ahead. And we have Euro GBP here, price clearly defined from here, and so from here at any high point we buy, at any high point we buy. Price came to hit this, close below this we get in, then price comes to hit this, close below that we get in. But look at what happened here. Our first close of the week, we could have gotten in here, but price rushes up, and so maybe we are stopped out from 100 to 50 pips stop loss. Okay, you are definitely going to hit stop loss, but don't worry, you hit more TPs, so you are definitely going to make money. So you are going to use 1:2 risk reward ratio. I'll definitely will hit stop loss here. But look at what happened here. We get in again, we get in here with our CP above this and all the way down. Okay, well, we make some pips, we want to close for the week, so here we close. Next week comes, we get in here again, and then we come down, we close. Another week, sudden rush up, a close below this, then we get in. Okay, so this is definitely how we're going to be picking our entries in the days ahead. If price is below this, you buy only. Okay, don't be greedy. Don't think with what support, resistance, and all those stuff. So here you are seeing whatever people call price action entry, so you are going to buy. Fine, you can make some money, but tell me, I tell you what, when price is trading below the trend identified, the momentum down is always great. It's always great. So here you agree with me that if you were going to trade into sell most of the time, you will make more money than somebody who is going to trade buy. Okay, so that is why if price is above, price is below this, we sell. Or price, look at the time we were going to buy. Okay, these are the times we were going to buy. Wait, when price crossed here and price was trading above this, buy only. Buy at any lower point within the week, you get in for a buy. Sometimes you get in here and you have to hold it till you hit TP, then you come, then a sudden rush down. You know what happens is, if we are having lower lows, okay, we are calm waiting for it to cross, then we can start selling. But it did not cross, there is a reversal, it hit here, it started reversing, and then we join in. You hit some TP here, a pullback, this one closing above the trend confirmer, you join in again. So this is how you're going to be doing it. Okay, so these are the periods we're going to buy. Okay, then of course these are the periods we're going to sell. Okay, so just keep watching and following. If you have any question, you can email me and I'm going to answer you. Okay, just send me an email. Okay, all right, you send me an email and I'm going to answer you. Just Richmond at Forex Embassy.net. Okay, this is my email, or you can also send email to support at Forex Embassy.net. Okay, and I'm gonna attend to you. So if you're on Telegram, you can still message me at r_empowerment and I'm gonna respond to you. Okay, all right, thank you and enjoy trading.